Since its release in October of 2017, Cardano cryptocurrency has made a big splash in the digital currency world. What is a Cardano cryptocurrency and why should you invest? Hello everyone, welcome to Success Wisdom channel. If you're new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. In this video, we will talk about what is Cardano cryptocurrency 2022. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual asset designed to work as a medium of exchange. It uses cryptography to secure and verify transactions and control the creation of new units of a particular cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, not subject to government or financial institution control. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, was created in 2009. Since then, hundreds of different cryptocurrencies have been developed. Cardano is one such cryptocurrency, which was launched in 2017. Now the question is, what is Cardano cryptocurrency? Cardano is a decentralized public blockchain that runs the ADA cryptocurrency. Cardano is unique because it is the first blockchain platform based on scientific philosophy and peer-reviewed research. What problem does it solve? Cardano is a cryptocurrency that aims to solve some of the significant problems that plague other digital currencies. One of the critical problems that Cardano addresses is scalability. Bitcoin, for example, can only handle a maximum of 7 transactions per second. This is since all nodes on the network must verify each transaction. On the other hand, Cardano uses a delegated proof of stake, which allows for a much higher transaction volume. In addition, Cardano also focuses on security and sustainability. The currency uses a unique algorithm that allows users to stake their ADA, or the currency's name, to verify transactions. This not only provides an incentive for users to hold on to their ADA, but also makes it difficult for bad actors to control the network. How was Cardano created and why is it unique? Cardano was created due to a partnership between 3 organizations, IOHK, Emurgo, and the Cardano Foundation. IOHK is a blockchain research and development company founded by Charles Hoskinson, one of the co-founders of Ethereum. Emurgo is a Japanese blockchain startup focused on developing commercial applications for Cardano. The Cardano Foundation is an independent Swiss organization responsible for overseeing the development of the Cardano ecosystem. Together, these 3 organizations are working to create a decentralized platform that individuals and businesses can use. Cardano is built on a proof-of-stake consensus algorithm, which means it is more energy efficient than other blockchain platforms. Additionally, it uses a unique programming language called Haskell, making it easier to write smart contracts. Cardano also has its native cryptocurrency, ADA, which is used to power transactions on the network. What are the benefits of using Cardano cryptocurrency? Cardano is a cryptocurrency that offers several benefits over other digital currencies. One key advantage is its scalability. Cardano can handle large volumes of transactions without sacrificing security or performance. This makes it well suited for use in global commerce and finance. Also, as it is built on a proof-of-stake consensus algorithm, the transactions are less likely to contribute to climate change. Finally, Cardano supports smart contracts, which allow businesses and individuals to automate transactions and agreements. This can simplify complex financial processes and reduce the risk of error or fraud. Cardano's features make it an attractive option for users looking for a secure, efficient, and versatile cryptocurrency. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. How to buy and store Cardano cryptocurrency. To buy Cardano cryptocurrency, you will need to create an account on an exchange that supports ADA. Binance is currently the largest exchange that offers ADA trading pairs. Once you have completed your account and verified your identity, you can deposit fiat currency or cryptocurrency into your account and use it to purchase ADA. Alternatively, you can also buy ADA directly with fiat currency through the ATM network of Emurgo, IOHK's commercial arm. Storing cryptocurrencies like Cardano can be a tricky business. Unlike fiat currencies, physical objects that can be stored in a wallet or safe, cryptocurrencies exist purely as digital information. As such, they need to be stored in a digital wallet, which can be located on your computer or a dedicated hardware device. When choosing a wallet for Cardano, you need to ensure that it is compatible with the currency's blockchain. Additionally, you will need to decide whether you want a hot or cold wallet. Hot wallets are connected to the internet and are therefore more vulnerable to hacking attacks. Cold wallets are not connected to the internet and are thought to be more secure. However, they can be more challenging to use. Whichever type of wallet you choose, make sure that you keep your private keys safe and secure. If you lose them, you will lose access to your funds. Future of Cardano cryptocurrency. Since its launch in 2017, Cardano, or ADA, has become one of the most popular cryptocurrencies in the world. Designed to address some of the shortcomings of existing cryptocurrencies, Cardano offers a unique combination of features that makes it well suited for various uses. With a strong focus on security and compliance, Cardano is designated to be a bridge between the traditional financial world and the new world of cryptocurrencies. In addition, Cardano is a highly profitable cryptocurrency to buy in the long run. Its many perks include its impressive performance, high-profile investors' interest, and low volatility. These factors suggest that Cardano is a wise investment that will likely appreciate over time. Cardano's price has increased significantly since it was first introduced, and it is expected to continue to rise as more people become aware of its potential. Cardano is well positioned to play a significant role in the future of the cryptocurrency industry. Tips for investing in cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have garnered much attention over the past few years, and for a good reason. Bitcoin, the most well-known cryptocurrency, has seen its value increase exponentially since it was first created in 2009. With the rise of cryptocurrencies, many people want to invest in this new asset class. However, a few things should be kept in mind before investing in cryptocurrencies. First and foremost, it is essential to understand that cryptocurrencies are highly volatile. Their prices can fluctuate rapidly, and they are often subject to sudden changes in sentiment. You should have a clear idea of how much you are willing to invest and be prepared for the possibility of losing all or part of your investment. This means having a sound investment strategy before investing in cryptocurrencies is crucial. Another thing to keep in mind is that there is a lot of speculation surrounding cryptocurrencies. While there is certainly potential for growth in this new asset class, it is essential to remember that many risks are involved. Be sure to research before investing in any cryptocurrency, and always consult with a financial advisor if you have any questions or concerns. Cardano is a cryptocurrency that has been designed to solve the many problems that have been encountered with other cryptocurrencies. Its developers are confident that it will be one of the most successful cryptocurrencies this 2022. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Thank you and goodbye.